Hey everybody, this is a real quick video in case you have a Pentair pool heater and you're getting an E05 or E06 error and you're trying to figure out what's going on and what do you need to do to fix it. So you're in luck. This is almost always caused, these two errors are almost always caused by the stack Flue sensor burning out and going bad and needing to be replaced. And this is something that anybody can fix on their own. All you need to do is get the part, and I'll go ahead and put a link in the description to where you can get it off of Amazon with free shipping. But anyways, all you need to do to change it is you're just going to pull the housing off of your pool heater, and over on the right side here you will see that there is these two wires going into this bolt head here. And what we're going to do is we're just going to come in and we are going to just pull that apart there, unplug it from there. And then once we've unplugged it, then all we need to do to remove it is we're just going to then come in with a wrench and then just unscrew it, take it out, and then put the new sensor in, plug the new sensor back into the little modules, and that's really all there is to it. So anyways, hope this video helped. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.